Hello there. In this guide, I will show you how to create portable version of your favorite applications. Portable applications are a great way to take your software with you wherever you go without needing to install it on every computer you use. In this guide, I will show you how to use Enigma VirtualBox, which is a free software to create portable version of your favorite applications. The disadvantages of portable apps are sometimes they require more space than their regular counterparts. Performance issue if you are running the software from USB drive. Portable software doesn't modify the registry, offering limited integration with Windows. No option for updating. Some portable applications cannot be updated, and that can lead to missing features or security concerns. After downloading the Enigma VirtualBox, install it. Once installed, start the software. You can find the download link to Enigma VirtualBox at the description section of this video. In this guide, I will make the Odyssey portable application. But before we can do that, let's find out the executable exe file that Odyssey used to start. Right-click Odyssey shortcut icon and click Properties. From Target, you can see the Odyssey executable exe file and where it is located. After finding the executable Odyssey exe file, from the Enigma VirtualBox, click Browse button and enter input file name. Now browse the exe file of the application you want to convert. Click Browse button on enter output file name to browse the location where you want to store the portable file. You can, if you want, change the name of the portable file. Click Save button. Next, click on Add button and select Add Folder Recursive. Select the folder that holds the executable file you selected and enter input file name. Click OK button. And to create your portable application, click Process button. This can take some time to finish. It depends on size of the files you are converting. You can click the Run button to execute the portable application that is created. There you go. You have launched the portable application Odyssey. This is the portable application. With this step, you should be able to create a portable version of almost any application in Windows. Do you know a different method to create a portable app? If so, share it with us in the comment section below. That is it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.